Welcome to the VMSG Dashboard Performance Management System Administrator Training. In the following modules, we'll review the dashboard features available only to those users designated as org admins or system administrators. The VMSG Dashboard main menu screen for system administrators allows you to control the background functions required for the operation of the dashboard. There are 4 additional buttons on this menu. First is the User Management System. We'll discuss user management in detail in this module. The next are the document management functions for administrators. From here, admins can manage documents across all groups and all planning elements. The third is the category and subcategory management function. This screen allows administrators to add, edit, and delete the categories and subcategories used to tag planning elements throughout the operational plan. The last is the system settings and configuration. This screen allows the administrator to set up some of the system parameters, including graphic images and email notifications. Now we'll review the tools to manage system users. Users with org admin permissions can access the user management screens by clicking on the highlighted button. The VMSG Dashboard System User Management screen allows the user with org admin permissions to add, update, or delete system users. Users are added, edited, and deleted just like any planning element in the system. Following fields are available for system users. Username is the unique name for logging into the system. This value must be unique across the entire dashboard system. Our standard is the first initial and last name. Where there's a conflict, we typically add a 01, 02, etc. to the end of the name, like F. Erickson 01. The username is not case sensitive, and the username cannot contain spaces. The username is a required field. The system assigns the default password of lowercase password to each user. You can change this now by clicking on the key button. In this dialog box, you can enter and verify the new password. Users can also change their password from the main menu. Please refer to the training module on password management for details. The password is case sensitive and may contain upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and punctuation marks with the exception of the pound sign. Passwords must be a minimum of 6 characters in length. Even though the password is set by default, it is a required field. Enter the first and last names of the user here. Both these fields are required. In this field, you will also enter the user's unique email address. This field is required as well. The email address may also be used to log into the dashboard. Enter the user's phone number here. This field is not required but is used in some system reports as contact information. This is the organization that the user belongs to. Normally, there's only one organization available to users. This is the division, office, or program that the user belongs or reports to. Users may have permissions to more than one group. We'll review that in a few minutes. This is generally the direct supervisor for this user. User privileges is the default for a normal system user. User privileges allow read-write access to select groups in the organization. Most of your users will be this type. The read-only user can only view the system information and reports but cannot make any changes to the data in the system. The partner user can only update specific status information on the objectives and activities screens. They can view any information for which they are given access. The org admin user can perform all of the functions of the normal user, plus has the ability to add, update, delete users, manage documents for all groups and planning elements, activate partners, manage organization categories and subcategories, and configure selected system parameters. Only org admin users have access to this screen. This checkbox enables the user to have access to the document management screens for each planning element. Users with document management access can add, edit, and delete documents attached to any planning element to which they've been given read-write access. Once the user is entered and saved, you will need to establish their links to specific organizations and groups. Use the Org Links button to select which organizations this user can access. Generally, there's only one organization on this list to select. The Group Links button allows you to select which groups in the selected organization this user can access. You'll probably use this function more than any other on this screen. On this screen, you can select which groups the user can view and edit. Typically, most users are given view access to all groups in the organizations, but can only edit their default group. With this configuration, they can see all of the information, but only update information in their group. If the selected user has been given org admin privileges, a third button will appear. The Admin Links button allows you to assign system administrators to selected groups. You can designate multiple system administrators for each group. Group admins will receive dashboard service requests from the users within the groups you've selected for them. Their name and email address will also appear on status emails received by members of their groups. This is where the administrator's contact information shows up on the status email. Documents can also be attached to users in the system. Please refer to the training module on document management for details. Thanks for reviewing the user management features of the dashboard. In the next module, we'll discuss the management of categories and subcategories for your organization.